Hey y'all, welcome to Jenjens Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna be making stuffed pasta shells. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. So I'm gonna begin this recipe by boiling a pot of water. I'm gonna throw in some salt to make this pasta more flavorful. Once your water starts boiling, you're gonna wanna throw in your pasta shells. Make sure that you stir occasionally so that way your pasta doesn't stick to each other. Once your pasta is done cooking, you're going to remove them from the pan and you're going to take a little bit of water just to help them stay soft. So once you've removed the water, then you're going to add some beef better than bouillon. You're going to give that a good stir, and then you're going to add in all your spices. So once you've added in all your spices, you're going to stir again, and then you're going to throw in some lemon juice. You're going to go ahead and set that aside and get another pan and start browning your ground beef. So after that has fully browned, you're going to throw in your can of tomatoes. Okay, so at this point I'm realizing that I should have used a bigger pan. So I'm going to gently mix it up. So you're going to remove the ground beef and tomatoes and try to leave as much juice as you can. So once you've removed all the ground beef, you're going to throw some flour into the remaining juice. So that'll create a thick roux that you will then throw into the sauce that you made. So you're going to give things a mix and then let it sit on a medium heat. At this point, you're going to begin stuffing your pasta shells. So once all your pasta shells have been stuffed, you're going to pour in the delicious sauce. After sauce comes cheese. Once you have topped it all off with cheese, you're going to throw it in the oven for 15 minutes just to let everything melt. After 15 minutes, you're going to pull it out of the oven and let it sit for 5 minutes. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. So if you like my videos, make sure to click one of these links and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.